Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Alhamdulillah, I made it to the Keys. I'm in a place called Islamorado, and I'm dressed as a Muslim, alhamdulillah. And today, inshallah, I'm going to go to Key West and deliver to the masjid a sign about the Arrive movie, and inshallah hand out some of these little flyers that I have to anybody, along with possibly wearing some of my stones until inshallah I get the other ones and possibly them engraved. There's a nice video on YouTube about the importance of the Aqiq and Feroza and different stones you can wear on your fingers, certain fingers that is. Anyhow, inshallah more people will know about the Mahdi that has emerged, that has arrived, that has come on behalf of the 12th Imam to bring justice after much tyranny and injustice has filled the land. So alhamdulillah, I'm going to inshallah catch the bus pretty soon to Key West. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ala Muhammad a'imma wa amidin wa sallam taslim kathirin. Fi aman Allah, fi amani Allah.